This is the Blink 2600 lumen floodlight. I really like this light because it's hardwired. You don't have to worry about changing batteries. Even the camera is hardwired too. That comes with the floodlight, so you don't have to get another camera and attach it to the floodlight. It comes with the floodlight and the camera, which is really nice. Plus, you don't have to plug in the camera separately and then change the batteries out every couple of months or so, depending how often it gets triggered. So I really like that. You're never going to be left with a flat battery in your light or your camera. Really easy to install, so if you have an outdoor floodlight already, take off the old one, put the new one on, and then connect it to the Blink app. Really like this because it's already on my system that I have, so basically every time it gets triggered and when it's armed, I just get notifications to my phone saying that there is motion out in my yard. Not only does it trigger that there's motion out here, it turns the light on when it's dark. You can also turn this on manually if you want to turn it on for a set period of time. Say you're going outside to let the dogs out, or you've got people coming by, you can just turn this on manually and you can set it for a timeout, or you can just turn it on for a set period of time. Also has a siren too, so it can set a siren off if you're going to need that on function on. We don't use the siren, we just have the motion, so it triggers when someone walks by, animal walks by, and it turns the light on as well, which I really like. You can also move these around, so you don't have to point it in one direction. You can turn the lights from side to side and point them at different angles. You can also push them up and down, depending on where you want the light to be focused. This is in our backyard, so we kind of want a broad light. So we want the light to kind of go from right to left, really like that. And then you can move the camera settings so that you can point it exactly where you want it to trigger the motion. And this camera works really well, especially picking up motion out in the backyard, which I really like. We have one in the front yard too, and it works really well. You can talk through these like other Blink cameras, so it's really handy. There's so many settings within the Blink app that you can go through and change and make sure that this is set up correctly, whether it be the motion sensitivity and how it reacts when it gets dark. That's really important. You can also change the brightness of this light and how long it stays on for after it's been triggered. So if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor floodlight, I'd highly recommend you get one of these Blink 2600 lumen floodlights.